Hi. Alright. I didn't stream yesterday because I was kind of like doing stuff, so I didn't stream. Let's get started. Right, my fucking VTuber model. Oh my god, I just keep forgetting. My VTuber model. Hold on. And I also realized that I could have done this one thing that I should be doing. Let me close this instead. I mean, I can do this, or I can like do everything here. It's easier to like switch to phase 2, but it's easier for like each individual phase if I were to how do you say, if I were to like do the animation state machine. So if I were to fuck. Yeah, let me see. Let me bring this out just so I can read it. So I can start with -2/ I can do an idle real quick. Run. Then what? Normal slash. Dash and then // Right? Dash to where though? Wait, I forgot. I legit forgot what I'm like. I have like the phases here, but like I legit forgot. Like dash to where? So dash to // that's just like a horizontal, like Hollow Knight. You run towards a player and then you normal slash, which is a regular slash, and a U dash. Normal slash, dash, and a // That sounds... I'm guessing dash upward. Yeah, it is dash upward. Hold on. I'll put it like this. Ground stab, but I'll do another dash, and then I'll do a down stab. Run. Triple slash. that should lead. Not yet. I wonder if I should do any like other animations in the machine. Blend space, blend tree. Fucking hell. Let me mute. Alright, it's muted or it's over. I wonder if I should put idle every single stage or should I not? I wonder. And I wonder. I don't think I have a fall sprite. That is fine. Yeah, that's fine, that's fine. I don't think... No, she doesn't interact with gravity, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, she doesn't really interact with gravity, so that's fine. Whoa! What's the condition? Let me think. So I mean, I guess I can do it like this, yeah. Just to get a little closer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Right. Ultimate down here. Or ground step. So dash. Oh, fuck me. Okay. Down stab. After that, range cut. After that, wide range dash slash else normal dash and then ground or down stab. Run. And then normal slash dash 2 slash I did triple slash or dash and ground stab. And then if ultimate if or triple slash, right? Wait. No, that can't be right. If down star already. Then ultimate. Right. No, if down stab, then ultimate. Fuck. Hold on. I wrote second phase kind of confusing. So yeah, one of these two go to here. This part right here is so confusing because I wrote in the script that when if already triple slash, then do this. If ground stab. Wouldn't it be? Okay, you know what? I'm gonna abandon the script real quick. If down stab, then ultimate. If triple slash, then ground stab. Alright. go to ultimate. Probably. Or I can skip that and not do that. Yeah, I don't want the ultimate to be that often. Alright, that's the first statement. Okay, so that's like the 2 states done. Pretty. First one's pretty linearly. Second one, not so much. I'll do it like this. Range cut. Dash ground stab. Run. Normal slash. This. Right. Something like this. What else? Okay, I think I got it. Let's take this one at a time. Shit. Dash to slash. Pretty sure all my animation is already done. Yep. Okay. What I can do now is I should remove these. Alright, so first of all, let's state. I can also remove this. Idle. Gotta remember that she's not affected by gravity, I think. So animation shouldn't be based on whether or not they are grounded, I think. Or like next phase shouldn't be based on whether or not they're grounded, because that's way too inconsistent. Not really. Anyway, so if go here, start idle dash actually make functions. Dash to slash run, we just move, which is up here. Damn it. Okay, I should remove pretty much all of these. Dash slash range cut. Okay, that should be it. Now dash to slash. That would be this is gonna be a little finicky and a little bit of a hard coding, but we'll get there. So in 0.3 seconds, it's gonna move. So it's gonna get var distance equals difference of target body dot global position dot x minus parent body dot global position dot x. And then border equals actually no. Yeah. Dot what? It's not. It's probably velocity. It probably is velocity, but I kind of don't want to use velocity. I want it to keep moving at a constant rate. Well, within a fixed amount of time. So how we do that? How to move an object to a position in a certain amount of time. Go on. Tween. Or tween equals great. Now, I've never used a fucking tween before. And there's no tween nodes either, so fine. I guess this is gonna be the first time that I'm gonna learn tween. What is tween? The queue to free the sprite. Tween property. I guess I can do that. Tween property iteration. Object is current body. Global. Position. Position, okay. And then vector that, and then in that time. So vector. Hold on, I'm just gonna fucking do it myself. So var location equals vector true, and then x should be distance, y should be body dot global position dot y. Vector 2 distance, or location, I guess. Location in 0.3. I hope that fucking works. But that's directly on like literally like in the player, like exactly where the player is at, which is not what I want. But for the purpose of testing, I'm just gonna keep it like this, and then I can fix it later. Well, that's good to know about the tween. It's just, yeah. Manual linear interpolation, which is a little more fucking complicated, or whatever. I'm not gonna do that. I just need to know tween. Okay, now I know what tween is like. I want to listen to some ASMR so bad. Anyway, let me check on. I say I should check on Twitter for Yuri, but like I should totally read the Yuri manga on my desk right now. But I'm just looking for some fan art. Also, I'm recently seeing like photo bashing tutorial, which is really nice because I've never managed to learn how to photo bash, so I should totally start photo bashing. I'm not seeing any Yuri, but I'm seeing very like nice art. but it's not Yuri. I'm just seeing ZZZ. I'm seeing our tutorial. I'm seeing Nikkei. Oh look, Yuri anime. Oh my god, yeah, this looks the I Want to Love You to Your Dying Days. Oh my god. I would totally watch it. But oh my god. Dude, just the title alone just fucking sounds so horrible. Horrible, but as in like, this is gonna have a bad ending. I don't think I can handle it. I don't think I can handle the ending. That title just rings of a bad ending. Anyway, goal position, and then await get tree dot create timer 0.3 dot timeout, and then normal slash, I guess. I can't test this. I should test this. -2/ I can do a function that is -2/ like that. What I can do is var space false, and I can do actually I don't think I need to. Let me see. So start idle. I'm just gonna remove this for now, just so I can like do a -2/. What if we just do this? So animation player, right? If input dot is key label pressed, key space, then player anim player dot play // It's gonna crash. Never mind, guess not. But the camera though. What the fuck is happening with the camera? Where the player? Right there. What the hell is this? Ah, okay, whatever. This camera situation, like. I'm hearing the fucking ambulance. Oh my god, let me mute myself. Okay, it's over. I totally forgot to fucking do the cameras of this area. Fucking hell, man. No way. Nor a way. Nor fucking way. This. Something like that, I guess. Do that. Something like this. How do I sound on this one? That should be good. Right. The border. Turn off UI for now. Or at least turn off the layer meter. Ain't nobody want to see the layer meter. Also, it's kind of loud. Okay, that's a problem right there. Global position. Right. Player. Check again. Distance. On no instance. What do you mean no instance? I guess I'm gonna do. Something like that. Oh fuck! It went haywire. Jesus Christ. Y'all seen that shit? Anyway, now how do I do this? Print debug. That should be it. Not really. What the fuck? What about one? It's lower. What if it's not? What if it's not the distance? Or what if it's not the problem here? What if it's the distance? Print debug distance. Negative 1800. That's weird. That's not how that works, I think. Right. That's not a problem. I see the problem. Target body dot global position dot, or not, that's it. There we go. 0.3. I forgot to put the fridge or the fish in the fridge. Damn. There we go. Alright. Hold on. Let me try again. How do I do this? Location equals hold on. So if distance so target body minus parent bodies if target body is greater than 0, else pass. If distance is greater than 0, that means what? That means target body is to the right. That means direction is 1. For your equals 1. Zero, then here equals -1. There we go, that's the default. Location is distance dir equals dir times, I don't know what's the number, 64. I'll do 64, like so 1 block distance plus dir in that location. That should be it. It should stop at 1 block. Vector 2. I'll do location. Right. It's location. Location. That should be it. Motherfucker, I forgot. Okay, it's target body dot global position dot x, not distance. So like this. Minus. So like this. Had it flip for some reason. Yeah, but it's... Huh. Okay, so tween works in certain situation, but it's not in this situation. Okay, that's fine. That is fine. So I got the location down. That's good. That means all I gotta do is parent body dot global position dot x equals move forward from global position dot x to location dot x delta, or I don't know, in delta times 100, which I think I'll just do 1. Would that work though? Velocity dot x equals negative 1000. That's fine, I guess. But that's okay. What's the common it's not, I know the distance, but like what's a common thing? I'm just asking myself just to double check, but I know the answer. The common thing between dash run within distance of player, okay. Within distance. So dash slash run dash. It checks for the X, pretty sure. Dash slash run. Dash slash and run, okay. So I can do or within target x equal false, bar within target y equals false. I'm gonna start using magic numbers and shit, but it doesn't matter that much in this context. No game developers ever liked magic numbers. What I can do is chasing target equals false. Chasing target equals true. If that's true, if chasing target, then if dot distance to target body dot global position is less than, I don't know, I'll just say 96. Then within target x equals true. Else. Not exactly, because this checks in a circle, and sometimes I want it to be directly above the player, and sometimes it's not. So, I can do two instances of if. So if parent body dot global position dot y is less than dot y minus, I don't know, I'll do 96 again, just for the number 96. Within target y equals true. Yeah. Which dash is slash. Chasing target is true. And not within. I can do chasing X, chasing Y. Or how do we do this? Fuck. There's multiple things. There's multiple things at play here. Now I'm coming. I try to keep it simple, but it's always not simple for some fucking reason, man. How? Let me think. Let me think. So, okay, maybe I don't need this. I can remove that. Yeah, and then target X is true. Chasing target equals false. All right. I'm making this way too complicated for myself for some fucking reason, because it should be very simple. If it's within the fucking distance, you stop. So dash to slash. Chasing target's true. So if chasing target, then ended that and wins, then stop. That means what is enum? Because I remember enum is a thing and it's been on my mind. Enum. Go dot. No, it's just assigning numbers. No, that can't be right. Okay, so chasing player, right? So dasher slash and not within target X when target X is true. Normal dasher slash and run is not normal slash. Then normal slash. Okay. Is it already over? Wow, it's been an hour and I've been doing nothing. That's crazy. What can I listen to? Hold on. Let me put on some Orchard Kill, but before that I want to check. Not seeing anything important. Okay, whatever. It's correct, I think. Normal slash. Since there distance there, yes, there are times. Okay, cool. And then location is unnecessary. I can clean this one up. Velocity 1000. And do this there times 1000. And then remove the normal slash. slash. Within target Y. I can do no more slash. I can do within target X equals false. Await get tree dot create timer 0.3 dot timeout dash pass. Equals 1,000. I'll do 1,000. Slash. I do no more slash right now. For now. I'll buff it later. For now, I just want to get it to work properly. Chasing. Was false. Do I even need this? Print. Done. Where is she? Where the fuck is she actually? Wait a minute. No, she gone. Okay, hold on. Okay, so I had the numbers correct the first time. I don't know what the hell happened. Why is it printing done so many times? What? I actually might end stream early just so I can do the roleplay because like new area just got unlocked, so I try to end it by 11 if I can. Right now though, I just want to finish this. Slash, which is triggered by this. Move here. slash. Chasing target with player X. Like, I know chasing target is for something. I just forgot what it is. My brain is so assed at remembering the specifics. That should be the first thing. We should be fine. If chasing target, then right. Okay. If chasing target, then normal slash. It's like a double authentication or something like that. If you see target, the normal slash. There we go. That's how you're supposed to do it. So it should only print once. It printed nonce. That's crazy. But whatever, that should be fine. That should be fine, yeah. Unless I do this. It doesn't even print. That's crazy. Right, because it's not being set here. Done once. Okay, perfect. That's how you do it. Animation player dot play normal slash. I wonder why it's not doing anything. What if we don't do that and just make animation to go play? It should work. Yes, okay. So I see you now. cracking my neck. Alright. No more slash. Right. Done. Why is it frame dropping? That feels weird. Is it supposed to be like that? Wait. I don't even know anymore. Right, it's probably because of this. That shit. There we go. There we go. It's because of the fucking... it's the fucking... Ah, God. It's the errors. It's the 200,000 errors. I'm not gonna fucking even bother with that, man. What the hell? Whatever. So no more slash. Done. Proceed to the next step, right? But how do I proceed to the next step? How do I play the next animation in queue? Right, there should be a... run. Run. Move. Run. The distance like calculation was pretty simple, but I should totally reuse it. So if I were to distance func get this to target as I can do distance return dir wider return 1 if distance is less than 0, else dir equals negative, else free something like that. That should be it. Wait, if this is less than 0, then -1. There we go. Had the numbers flipped there. Pass. Get sensu target. Just that. Body dot velocity dot x. We'll scan this to target times 1000. Right, I should totally be like opening my Discord in case someone is calling me out. Wait. Get tree dot create timer. Dot timeout. It's not moving. Why? Right, it's because that slash is not calling. Dash slash, there we go. Ooh. Okay, okay, it should be a simple fix. If I were to go in here, property of Ayame, velocity. I don't know why velocity is not being called here, but whatever. Okay, that's fine. 2000 and 20. Something like that, I guess. Alright, anyway, normal slash. No. Not normal slash. It's not normal slash. I want to make music like Mirror Man. It sounds so good. Yeah. Right now, I'm just gonna make all like the face working, and then animation layer dot play. Triple slash. Ultimate right. Property spiked frame. I don't even know which frame I should be doing. frame 6. Range cut should also be frame 6. Ultimate damage. Down stab. If that's true, then I don't really need to I don't really need the animation tree, right? The next, yeah, the next transition is probably I'd rather just do everything with a script, man. It's so much, like, it's a little hard to read, but you get more control out of it. Like, it's harder to read, but at the same time, you can read. Honestly, I've been confusing myself so much because, okay, so I get the distance done, dash to slash, kinda done, normal slash done, triple slash, not really. It is done. Range cut done. I'm just getting the animation down. The dash slash is done, so it's just dash in normal. No, it's just dash and ground stab. Right, ground stab. I forgot to write that shit down. Funk, ground, stab, or down stab, I guess. Wait, down stab is new, right there. What? These are so unorganized. Slash, dash to slash, dash slash, dash, down stab. This one I need to move down, so. Chasing. Down stab. Which chasing Y goes false. Now it's just a move. Okay. Where's the move? Parent body dot velocity dot x equals move, or equals get distance to target times, I don't know, 6-9. Okay. So, move is done. Pretty sure all of it is, no, the one thing that I haven't done is dash, which most of the time it's dash either up or I should totally do two. Oh, yeah. Dash up and jump dash both. Pass. have to get the parent body dot global rotation equals 0. Global rotation. There should be a function. Or maybe just look at, I guess. Look at target body. Global dot minus vector 2, or I can do a target dot vector 2. It's vector 2 0 96. Just a bit of test. Dash above. It should be looking at above me. Yes, okay, good, good. That's all I need to. That's all I needed to do. Dash above. And do JC target Y equals true. Vector 2. What's vector 2? What are the methods for vector 2? Angle 2. Clamp, no. Cross, no. Direction 2. Okay. To something like that. So if I'm correct, it should dash above, so that's weird. Alright, this has no collision. Actually, collision ship. Idle. That's okay. The thing got fucked again. Down stab, probably need a chasing target before I falls. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. I should totally do this. Because, yeah, when it's down stab, it needs to be within the X too. So, this is within the X. If it's within the X, then if within the Y, within Y true, within target X falls, normal slash falls. Okay, so down stab. There we go. Double check. I don't know why it does that. I don't know why. It should be down stabbing, but it's not. Print debug down. I want to listen to ASMR so bad. I'll hold it off. It's not even checking. Huh. Right. No, I have to put these back. Or I can move these down. And then this. That should be it, right? been fucking printing. What? That's crazy. Dash above. It should be dashing above. Dash above. Play dash. Chasing target Y is true. Within X. Right. Because it actually has to oh my god. Okay, fine. Dot X minus or target minus parallel position dot X. That should be it. Hold on. Absolute value, right? I forgot the absolute value. Absolute value of that. That only happened once. Less than 16. There we go. The only problem is, yeah, it's not. Okay, dash above. Dash above is not very above. It's just slightly above. So I can do minus what? Velocity, parabolic global position, direction to right. That should be it. There we go. That only happened once. Why? Why? Right. That should be it. No. Wait, what? Okay, let's work backwards. So the condition has to be chasing target Y. Downstep chasing target Y should be false, which works. Chasing target Y. Dash above is chasing target Y is true, chasing target Y is false. That should be true. Dash above. Yeah. Oh, this works, so that means it's within this area. What's wrong here? Print in Y range. Right. Right. I forgot. It's this. Sometimes it does that. In Y range, it printed like 5 times. Okay, so it printed 5 times, but it didn't trigger the if chasing target. Why did it not? Chasing target Y only turns off. Yeah, it only turns off in the down step. What's going on here? Okay, I think I need to like put these on top before turning it off. There we go. No, oh my god. Once it hits a wall, if chasing target Y, right? Huh. This constantly check. I'd rather not do that. Yeah, this constantly updates the location. I'd rather not. I'd rather calculate it myself, so I would do var down stab location equals greater to 0 0. If parent body dot location dot distance to down stab location is less than 64. Do that. That should be it. So wouldn't, isn't it? I don't think it's supposed to be doing that. I don't think it's supposed to collide with the player. It's not supposed to collide with the player. There we go. But then, okay, hold on. It's not visibility. How I check the physics collision again. Here. Physics layer. 10. Let me double check. Difference between mass and layer. Hold on. Where the object is and where mass is where the object looks for. Okay. Yeah, it should be working. I don't know why it's not working. I don't know why it's not. Before 8, I guess. What is the return? Distance to or direction to distance to Euclidean distance. That implies non-Euclidean distance, but anyway, it returns vector 2. So dot not dot, but dot y. Damn, so I actually have to... Okay, hold on. Checks for Y and check for X. Let's try again. There was, I saw, yeah, that bug right there. I don't know why that does that. Oh, right, because by the time, I can see why. By the time it... By the time it reaches the Y, the X is already out of range. Okay. I can see the problem. But down to application. Okay, I can see it. Right, this is the old code, so I need to like update it. It's not current player position, it's the chosen player position. There we go. Motherfucker, okay. Vector 2. What? Priority key on base objective type of vector 2. Can I do like var I? No, that can't be right. What? It should be working. Why isn't it working? There's something missing. Problem is global on a base. What? Key global position on base axis of vector 2. Right. Downside location is a vector 2. It doesn't need to access the global position. There we go. Motherfucker. If parabolic globalization y. Down stab location x distance is less than 16. I'll do 96 again just to make sure. Sorry, something happened. Anyway. Core chamber. Ah. Ah, the insurance. My mom's talking to me about insurance. I had to explain. Anyway. What was I doing? I legit forgot. Right, I don't know why this thing is not working. It should be working, but it's not. But why? Why is it not working? I don't know why this is not working. It should be working. Why does it not do that? It's probably because of like these two ones. Index, it should have been. Let me do this instead. Y range. Okay, so it's in Y range. Then what's going on here? It's probably because. Okay, I think I understand. If it's within this and within this, that's literally impossible, so I'm gonna have to... I'm gonna have to remove this, I guess. There we go. So if this and this, please work. Okay, one's down, right? Lower down stabbing equals false. Oh, what else? What else? What else? What else? What else? So down is true. Wide range is true. Huh. What am I missing? I'm trying to think of what else. Dash, right? Lash. Let's see. Dash, right? Dash slash, where's the normal dash? Dash up, right? Dash up. Current body dot look at dot global position dot y minus 1. Vector. There we go. What? And then dash slash, probably. If If it's in the, if the player is in the air, then ground step. Maybe. How much in the air though? Right, I should totally make a sprite of her falling or something. If not, then true. False. Dash dash falls to the ground. No. If why? I want two options for this. If dash slashing or if right, down staff location. It's checking for down staff location. Right. If it's checking for down staff location, then it really shouldn't be a problem. So I can do dash up, then down stab. Chasing target y equals true. Down stab location equals vector 2 dot velocity not global position dot x and target body dot global position dot y. Look at now stop location, target rise true, velocity is 3000 that, and I don't even need this actually. I can also remove this. dash up. So if in range and if okay. Okay, two options. No. Chasing target one as one of them. Or I can do so yeah, this is assumed that it's within the Y range already. If not within target Y, within target Y equals true dash slash okay. If parent body dot velocity dot x equals 0 and not that, then does that, and then I can try a dash up. So dash up, it's gonna play the dash, it's gonna get the location directly above. It's gonna look at it, it's gonna do a chasing target Y, true, parent body velocity X true, which it's gonna constantly check if it's in range, like this, parent body X, true. If chasing target Y, that dash slash. I don't think it's gonna work, but we'll see. Fuck me. Is it Y true? It follows onto here too. Fuck. Okay. What I can do is and parent body dot velocity dot x is not 0. There we go. Almost done. I'll fix this and I'll go. 10-5. Actually, let me double check the Sana script because special flipped dashing, dash time, dash cooldown. Dash ready. Can dash. It's probably because of can dash. Oh wait, it's printing early. It shouldn't print so early. And chasing target Y. Where is he? Ooh. Okay, within Y, it should be parallel 0, but it's not. So I'm guessing dash lash within target Y. Within target. It's false. There we go. Okay, the only thing that's... Oh, shit. Can I give it a weight, so... a weight. It should work. I'll give it a little more time, or a little less time. Yeah, okay, that's perfect actually. Ooh, okay, so there's a bit of problem there. I think it works for now. There's not really a lot of like actions that requires you to do continuously, so I can just leave it at that. But I'm pretty sure all the attacks are done, or all like the movement stuff is done. Now I just need to like edit the attacks, which should be simple. That should be good. Not too shabby. I did what I had to do for the stream. Alright. Save and quit. That's about it for tonight. I'm just gonna get back to the RP.